Good morning, my darling. Trust you are good.
We thank God. How was your night? Trust you are good too?
What should I prepare for you this morning, my dear?
I would like to take rice and plantain. But before that, get me some fruits and water.
No problem, my darling. I will do that now.
But before you go, dear, I would like to discuss some things with you.
Hope no problem, darling.
Not at all. What I want to discuss is about our language, Yoruba.
Continue, darling.
I think you see what is happening in some Yoruba homes.
What is happening, dear?
People nowadays are not teaching their kids about the language. And you see Yoruba language, we are so blessed with a lot of gifts. With countless mind-blowing historical background and many more.
Oh. That's true. But, my dear, you know we see things from different perspective. That's your own perspective to some homes about Yoruba language. Likewise, you don't know their own view about the language.
But, whichever way, we need to teach our kids about our language and culture. Because culture is part of liberation, any race or tribe that ignores its culture will become a slave at the end of the day. We have a lot, different sweet stories, tales, music, and lot more. If we fail to teach our younger ones about our language and culture, their generation may not be kind with us. Let me share with you some interesting story about Yoruba historical background. The first and the last heroine king in Yoruba race.
Heroine king? But darling, I think it's cultural norms that a woman cannot become a king, but in some places, she could be named as regent. Then how come we have such king?
Okay. I see you care to know about the interesting story. Kindly subscribe to Yoruba TV on YouTube. You are going to watch it for free, but you need to subscribe. The video will be out latest by Monday 22nd of June, 2020. Don't forget to click on notification to get notified for latest video update. Kindly like his page on Facebook, search Yoruba. Follow him on Instagram, search Yoruba. You can as well call or WhatsApp him on +2 3481034033120.
Glad to hear that. Can't wait to watch it. I'll love to watch and subscribe to Yoruba TV. I'll as well like and follow his pages for more updates.
Good. Do so, kindly inform your friends and relatives as well. To check frequently for latest video updates. Do so today and add more values to yourself and others.
Thank you, dear.
You are welcome. Do share with your friends and relatives.
Good, let me go now.
Okay. To everyone. Yoruba yesterday, today and tomorrow. Yoruba yesterday, that's our historical background. Yoruba today, that's the way people are not teaching their kids about Yoruba language and culture. Yoruba tomorrow, that's the generation of our younger ones. They might not be kind with us, if we fail to teach them.
Let's teach our younger ones, so they will not become a slave at the end of the day.
Be among the few Yoruba folks that will be proud of their mother tongue Yoruba language in this current world, where people pride in foreign languages than the language of their ancestors.
Learn Yoruba today, speak Yoruba today. Be proud of your mother tongue.
Are you a lover of Yoruba language and culture? Do you care to know more about Yoruba historical background and many more? Reach out to Yoruba today. Let your kids learn about Yoruba language today and add more values to them and yourself.
Do you love to learn Yoruba language? Or you lose hope in learning Yoruba language? Don't lose hope, reach out to us today.
To follow us on Facebook, search Yoruba.
To follow us on Instagram, search Yoruba.
On YouTube, search Yoruba TV. Don't forget to comment as well.
Call or WhatsApp him on +2 3481034033120.
RNA Baba Yoruba TV.